好，由第二課開始咧，其實就以 Planet Earth 做主題咧，去介紹唔同 chemicals 嘅來源嘅。嗱，咁我哋知道地球咧分別就係有大氣層啦，即係第二課啦，有海洋啦，第三課啦，有地質啦，第四課啦。呢一啲嘅地方咧，其實咧都係有好多嘅化學物嘅資源喺入邊嘅。咁所以咧喺嚟緊呢幾課入邊咧，都會咧係以一個好標準嘅流程啦去介紹呢幾課㗎嚇。咁我哋睇一睇啦，其實咧nitrogen 啦、oxygen 啦、noble gas 啦，呢啲係喺大氣層入邊啦。嗱，sodium chloride 啦，即係平時啲食鹽啦。chlorine 啦，可以攞嚟消毒啦。metals 所以我哋成日都用啦。所以咧，你見到咧，其實好多我哋平時用嘅 chemicals 咧，其實係嚟自地球嘅呢三個部分 atmosphere、ocean 同 earth crust。咁所以話咧，呢幾課重要定唔重要咧？其實咧考咧就真係好少嘅，不過咧就當中都有一啲咧係好重要嘅 concept，我哋需要記住嘅，咁我會提到。係啦，咁頭先講到咧話呢幾課其實咧第二、第三、第四課咧都有唔同嘅 flow 啦，有一樣嘅 flow 啦，咁嗰個 flow 係咩咧？就係呢開頭咧，我哋話喺 atmosphere 啦，譬如會有個 source of chemicals 啊，譬如有 nitrogen、oxygen 啦，咁佢哋有啲咩嘅用途咁有用咧？我哋要讀佢咧。咁跟住我哋再睇翻就係咁有用啦，我哋點樣可以喺大氣層入邊去抽取啦，或者去分separate 佢哋出嚟咧？咁呢個其實就係呢幾課嘅重點嚟㗎，就係要學咧 separation methods 啦。好啦，咁跟住我哋抽咗佢出嚟之後，我哋點樣證明點樣證明嗰啲化合物咧係真係嗰一隻 chemicals？咁就學到 chemical test。又係呢幾課嘅另外一個重點啦。好，由於喺地球入邊咧嘅資源咧，真係嘅化合物真係好多，咁所以我哋都想咧將佢分門別類咁學啦。咁稍後時間咧，你其實都會學到唔同嘅分類。而依家你見到第一個分類咧，就係將佢分為 pure substances 啦，同埋 mixtures。如果你話 pure substance 好簡單啦，從字眼睇咧就係一個 substance 啦，就冇其他 substance 啦。咁點樣分為之一個 substance，點為之兩個 substance？我一陣間會介紹啊。咁 mixture 咧就係有兩個或以上嘅 substance，而佢哋唔係 chemically combined together。呢一個字咧，我一陣間都會介紹。咩叫 chemically combined together 咧？咁樣咁譬如有碳 gas 啦、air 啦、wine 啦、stainless steel 啦，呢啲都係一啲常見我哋見到嘅 mixtures 嚟嘅。咁 pure substance 咧又可以再細分做 elements 同 compound 嘅喎。咁 elements 咧就係一啲 pure substance which cannot be broken down into anything simpler by chemical method。你見到又出現呢個字啦。咩叫做 by chemical method 咧？咁我哋一陣間都會即係都要知嘅。其實喺科學入邊咧，如果啲定義咧就唔使特登去背得好清楚啦。不過咧，你要好仔細理解到其實佢當中嘅意思係咩嘅，要分得好清楚啲 terms， 要用得好準確㗎即係如果係 element 你講咗係 compound 咧，咁就即係會扣分啦。咁譬如舉個例啦 ，water can be broken down into hydrogen, oxygen by passing electricity through it, so that's why water is not an element。咁頭先講咗咧 element 啫，一定唔可以再用 chemical method 將佢再細分做一啲細啲嘅 substance，而 water 可以咧，咁所以佢就唔係 element 啦。咁但係 hydrogen、oxygen 咧就唔可以再 breaking down into anything simpler by chemical method，so they are elements。compound 即係好簡單啦 ，compound 咧就係由兩個或以上嘅 elements 所組成，但係今次咧就係 chemically combined together。就同 mixture 唔同啊 ，mixture 咧有兩樣嘢 combine together， 但係佢哋唔可以係 chemically combine together 啦。如果係 chemically combine 嘅話咧，佢就會變咗 compound 啦。咁我哋常見有啲咩 compound 咧？譬如係鹽啦 ，sodium chloride 啦，佢就係由 sodium 同 chlorine 呢兩種 substance 發生反應而組成㗎。咁呢度有一啲常見 compound 嘅例子咯。 好，頭先咧我哋提到咧有一啲 terms，我話咧喺 chemistry 入邊咧，你一定要好準確使用啲 terms，唔可以立亂用咁，所以你要分得好清楚啦。咁依家同你分一分啊。好 compound 同 mixture 有咩唔同咧？就係咧，當兩個 substance 溝埋一齊啦，有一個新嘅 substance 形成咗喎。而嗰新嘅 substance 咩為之新咧？就係佢唔會咧同舊嘅 substance 有相同嘅特性㗎。咁咧我哋就為之新嘅 substance。而總括咁樣嘅情況咧，當兩個 substance form 咗，而有一個新嘅 substance 形成嘅話咧，咁嗰個新嘅 substance 就叫 compound 啦。好，咁調翻轉嚟講啦，如果兩個 substance mix 埋一齊，但係佢仍然都有舊嘅特性嘅話咧，咁佢就係 mixture 嚟嘅。好，咁你可以睇一睇下邊呢一幅圖啦。你會見到咧，呢個咁樣嘅 D 呢個圖咧，其實就係 mixture 嚟㗎嚇。咁點解咧？我陣間講你聽啦嚇。呢個圖咧都係 mixture 嚟㗎。呢個圖咧就係 pure substance，呢個圖都係 pure substance 嚟㗎。好，另一個好難分嘅terms 咧就係咩叫 pure substance，咩叫 mixture。pure substance 好簡單咧，就係成幅圖入邊咧，佢哋嘅粒子咧只係得一種構成嘅形式嘅啫，一種成分嘅啫。好，譬如 B 呢一個咧，你見到每一粒咧都係一個白色圓點，所以佢係一個 pure substance。好啦 ，A 咧你見到有兩種唔同嘅顏色，但係你見到每一個粒子咧，每一個組成即係最細嘅部分咧，都係同一個組成嘅部分，都係一粒黑色加一粒白色㗎嚇。咁所以咧佢仍然都係 pure substance。咁 A 同 B 有咩分別咧？A 咧就係 pure compound，B 咧就係 pure element 啦。好 mixture 咧就會有兩種或以上嘅 composition 嘅。咁譬如 C 咧同 D 咁樣。好，咁 element 同 compound 有咩唔同咧 ？element 咧就係得一種 atom， 好似頭先 B 嗰幅圖咁樣咯。而 compound 咧就有兩種或以上嘅 atom 去組成㗎。好啦，最後講講頭先咩叫 chemically combined， 咩叫 physically combined。頭先都講咗啦 ，chemical change 咧就係要有一個新嘅 substance form， 而咩叫新嘅 substance 咧？就係嗰個 substance 唔可以有原本嗰啲 substance 嘅特性㗎。好啦，介紹完分類咧，去翻我哋頭先話咧，地球有好多唔同嘅資源啦。我哋先講 atmosphere 入邊咧，最多就係 nitrogen 啦，跟住 oxygen 啦，跟住 carbon dioxide 係好少啦 noble gas 係好少。好，咁有啲同學問啊，考試考唔考嘅？考㗎，你係需要知道咧，大致上咧 nitrogen 有幾多 percent 啦 ，oxygen 有幾多 percent 啦 ，carbon dioxide 有幾多 percent 啦 ，noble gas 有幾多 percent 等等㗎。好，咁。哇，咁我哋知道有好多 chemicals 啦，但係佢哋有咩用，以至到我哋要學點樣分佢哋，點樣提煉出嚟咧咁樣。好，咁 oxygen 咧有好多唔同嘅 uses 啦，咁可以自己溫翻書啦。但係呢度要提翻咧，凡係如果考試問你 what are the uses of substance 咧，請你咧要留意咧，唔好用單字，要用complete sentence。特別可能 oxygen 呢度咧，你就咁用 breathing 咧係唔接受㗎，你需要解釋多啲。譬如你話咧 divers in water cannot breathe if they do not carry an oxygen cylinder。OK， 咁呢個咧就係接受為之一個 uses of oxygen 啦。好，咁 it is used in medical use。如果你就咁答 medical use 咧，亦都係冇分㗎，即係你要一個 complete sentence 啦。即係呢個係比較 harsh 一啲。burning of fuels it is used to burn It is used to help burning of fuels。好啦 ，use of nitrogen is used in food packaging。就咁就 food packaging 都係唔接受㗎。It is used as a refrigerant。It is used in making ammonia。呢啲咧都係要習慣翻咧考試嘅模式啦。好啦，咁我哋知道佢好似都好多用途啦。咁點樣可以將 oxygen 同 nitrogen 分翻開出嚟咧？其實就係用fractional distillation of liquid air。好，咁呢度留意咧，一定要答 liquid air 啦。如果就咁 fractional distillation of air 咧就唔得啦。好，咁個原理咧就 詳細可以睇翻書啦，分開3部分 ：purification of air 啦 ，liquefaction of air 啦 ，fractional distillation of liquid air 呢度就係最重要㗎嚇。咁 fractional distillation 嘅原理咧就係唔同 gas 唔同 liquid 會喺唔同嘅 temperature 會變成 gas 啦，咁我哋就可以喺唔同時間去收集翻唔同嘅 substance。呢個係一個好常見工業嘅 separation method 嚟㗎，咁你要留意。而 fractional distillation 咧，唯一你要記住幾時可以用到咧，就係當唔同 substance 佢哋嘅 boiling point 係好顯著嘅時候，佢哋有好大嘅 boiling point difference 嘅時候咧，先可以用啦。好，咁呢個係一個 summary 啦，咁你可以自己揾翻書啦。咁最後啦，我哋點樣可以知道翻收集到翻嚟嘅 oxygen 真係 oxygen 咧？咁我哋就要靠一個 chemical test 啦。咁呢度通常泛指係 simple chemical test 啊。咁如果你搞到好鬼複雜咧，我哋就通常都唔接受啦。咁我哋呢度咧 simple chemical test 最常見我哋用 Goloring spleen 啦。咁留意呢度個字要串得好啦，好多同學咧會串咗做 Growing 啦，會轉咗做 Gowing 啦，好多唔同嘅串法啊，咁你自己留意翻啦。好 ，oxygen supports burning 啦，咁所以可以 relight glowing spleens，咁呢個就係個答案啦。呢個係個 simple test for oxygen 啦。好，咁但係好可惜咧 ，nitrogen 有冇 test 嘅咧？我哋話咧頭先要 simple chemical test 咧係冇㗎。simple 嘅話就冇啦，複雜嘅 chemical test 有啊，咁但係我哋唔需要學啦。咁留意咧，我哋如果要 test 嘅話咧，就要將嗰個 gas 嘅 test tube 向下啦，咁然後擺支 Goloring spleen 落去睇下佢會唔會 relight 啦，就係咁樣樣啦。好 ，Chapter 2就讀到嚟呢度啦。